Hi, this is Dave Forster with Basecamp Trading, and one of the questions I've been asking myself lately is how low can volatility go? I'm looking at a chart of the VIX right here. You can see I have this uptrend line drawn in where we went below it one time, but then went right back above. And what we've also seen lately is I have this green resistance line drawn in right around the $20 level, and we have like spiked above it a few times, but we haven't spent a lot of time above it. So ever since we gapped down back here on April 8th, right around the you know memorandum of understanding signing kind of day, that's really when volatility pulled back. So volatility is pretty low. We're heading into the summer when things are a little bit lower in terms of movement, but sometimes going into September, October, those historically have been uh, the type of months that have been more volatile, potentially more bearish. So one interesting trade that I saw today, we have an unusual options activity scanner that identified a trade in one of the VIX ETFs. And this one is UVIX. So this one, if you buy it, I believe they give you a K1 tax form, a little convoluted. So, what the institution did today, this is a 2 times long VIX futures, and some of these do daily resets and all sorts of things where they may not track the VIX as well. But what I found interesting about some unusual options activity on this is that somebody went out to the longest term expiration available on UVIX, which is the January 2028 leaps, and they bought some 55 calls. So 55 for UVIX is right around support. So as of right now, they have 548 days potentially for UVIX to move up. And if we do get any kind of market pullback, then those 55 calls, they might have to deal with some of the repricing, daily repricing potentially with UVIX. But they have a whole lot of time potentially for this to move up. So if you don't normally keep an eye on volatility, the VIX would be more so my reference point, or VIX futures. Definitely keep an eye on the VIX and pay attention to any kind of spikes in the VIX so that we could potentially have a pullback in the overall market. And another thing to keep an eye on as well is an offer we have where if you go to bctnow.com/join, once you head right there, you'll be able to take a 30-day unlimited trial for just $7. All right, so keep an eye on volatility, and I hope this helps.